Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Coordinate Geometry Part 8. A special puzzle to warm up the brain cells is on the next slide. The answer will be given at the end. Enjoy. What is the meaning of the following? Good luck with it and see how you go. When two straight lines are drawn on a number plane, we can have any one of three different possibilities. The first possibility: the lines intersect at one point. Example 1. Prove that the lines x plus y equals 4 and y equals x plus 6 intersect at one point. The solution: we will now solve the above two equations simultaneously. So here are the two equations, and I've named them equation 1 and equation 2. Substitute y equals x plus 6 into equation 1, and that gives us this equation here. We simplify to get to that line, so x equals minus 1. So the x-coordinate of the point of intersection is minus 1. Substitute x equals minus 1 into equation 1. That gives us this equation here, which gives us y equals 5. So that is the y-coordinate of the point of intersection. So the point of intersection is minus 1, 5. Example 2. Prove that 2y minus 6x plus 7 equals 0 and y equals 3x plus 5 are parallel. So for the solution, we need to find the slope of each line. If the slope of each line is the same, then they are parallel. So here are the two equations. So we write equation 1 in the form y equals mx plus b. So from this line here, so that's our initial equation, from this line here to that line there, we just add 6x to both sides and subtract 7 from both sides. So that gets us to that line. We divide both sides by 2 to give us to that line. We can see that the slope of equation 1 is 3, because that's the value of m, see? So that's 3. Equation 2 is already in the form y equals mx plus b. It is obvious that the slope of this line is 3. See there? Hence, the two lines are parallel. Example 3. Prove that y equals 2x plus 3 and 6x minus 3y plus 9 equals 0 are the same line. So here are our two equations. Divide equation 2 by 3. So that gives us from there to here. And then from this line to here, all we do is add y to both sides, so that gives us y equals 2x plus 3. We just change the terms around, and here we are. Y equals 2x plus 3 is exactly the same as equation 1. So the two lines y equals 2x plus 3 and 6x minus 3y plus 9 equals 0 are the same line. Here's a quick quiz to help you. Please check through the video at any time. The answer to the puzzle. What is the meaning of the following? Tennessee. Very interesting, isn't it? Tennessee. See if you can understand that one. And the answers to the quick quiz and the video is at your disposal.